In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Undertale Red and Yellow. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to install Undertale Red and Yellow. To do this, you need to download it from Game Banana or Game Jolt. Make sure that it is the official one, and once you find the page for Undertale Red and Yellow on either of these websites, it doesn't matter, you can choose whichever one you prefer, you will be able to click the download option. So on Game Jolt, it is going to be here at the top, you click download, and it should start automatically. And if you are on Game Banana, you might have to scroll all the way down until you see it here, Files. So you will have version 2.0.0 and 2.0.1. I recommend downloading the newest one here. But either of these should work and the experience is going to be flawless. Now, once you have the downloads, open the zip file that you downloaded. In here, you will find all of the contents of Undertale Red and Yellow. To install these, all that you have to do is drop them inside of your game's install folder. If you don't know where it is, right-click Undertale on Steam, go over to Manage, and then browse Local Files. Now you will find the folder where you have to drop off all of these files, so select everything, then drag and drop inside. If you receive a warning telling you that it already has files with the same name, simply replace them. Now once all of this is done, open deltapatcher.exe. When you open this file, you will be able to convert your data.win file into one that can be read by the mod launcher. So when you see original file and you click this folder icon, select data.win. So under original file, you should select data.win. This file is going to be available here on your installation, data.win. Then, once you choose xdeltapatch and you click the folder icon, you will have to select this one, Undertale version 1.0.8 to UTRY, aka Undertale Red and Yellow. So again, this file should be located in your installation because it was packaged in the mod zip. You can also choose other options here if you would like to update the mod, but if you have never used or played Undertale Red and Yellow, this is the one that you want to choose. I'm not going to cover too much on what both of these files here do. And once you select it, you apply the patch, and by doing this, you can go ahead and run the game, and Undertale Red and Yellow will be started. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Undertale Red and Yellow. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.